Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. There are so many things which are being manufactured by India indigenously, and this time it's not an aircraft or a helicopter or a submarine. It's a new advanced self-protection jammer pod and which is being manufactured by DRDO. This video will provide all required vital information about this jammer pod. So before getting into more details, first let us try to understand what actually these jammer pods are and why is it so useful. The self-protection jammer pods enhance the survivability of fighters and other military aircrafts by providing protection against all types of air-to-air and surface-to-air threats in a dense radar-guided weapons system environment. The jammer first detects the radiation of enemy emitters and jams the enemy receivers and thus attempts to protect the aircrafts. As of now, Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI, Jaguar, the MiG-21 and MiG-27 fighters are all equipped with Elta L-8222 airborne self-protection jammer pods, and these pods are manufactured by Israel Aerospace Industries. Not just these fighters, even the light combat aircraft of HAL is also being tested with the same Israel Aerospace Industries airborne self-protection jammer pods. These pods of Israel Aerospace Industries are smaller in size and lightweight also, so it may be installed on an outer wing stations. Not just that, these pods are so flexible enough with respect to both mechanical and electrical interfaces, which allows them to be installed on aircrafts of any sizes. Now coming back to the self-protection jammer pod which DRDO is developing, as per the defense sources, the pods are being developed by the Defense Avionics Research Establishment, which is a laboratory of Defense Research and Development Organization of India. This is the prime organization for the design and development of radar warners, airborne electronic warfare, and mission avionics systems. These type of systems, which is being developed by the Defense Avionics Research Establishment, enhance the combat aircraft survivability and mission effectiveness. Looks like there would be 8 prototypes which will be developed for final rounds of flight testing along with Indian Air Force, and this is going to be done using the Indian Air Force Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets. These pods will address the advanced and emerging threats using the latest digital, software-based and active electronically scanned array technologies. Not just that, these pods would be used initially in Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and MiG-29 UPG fleets, and then it might be used on Tejas fighters, but nothing is confirmed as of now. There is also no confirmation if this indigenous self-protection jammer will be replacing the Israel Aerospace Industries jammer pods. There are lots of testing and validation pending with the in-development pods of DRDO, so at this stage nothing is confirmed from defense sources. So this was a quick update on indigenous advanced self-protection jammer pod which is being developed by DRDO's Defense Avionics Research Establishment Laboratory. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.